Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the lint screen on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. To remove the lint screen, open the dryer door. Grasp the tab on the top of the lint screen and pull it out. To install the lint screen, slide it into the slot inside the door with the slanted side facing to the right. Finally, close the dryer door. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.